What's up? Welcome back to a new vlog. Today is, at least I think this is a new vlog. I'm not for sure. Anywho, it's July 10th. It's 10:30 at night. I just got home. Mama and Aislinn are already here. And Mama got some more goodies. And she's gonna redo this table that you guys have already seen. So I figured you might want to see what she's gonna do. You got everything at home? Well, let me show you guys that first. And it's dark because I just turned this down. Hold on. So everything is from at home. Where's this supposed to go? Okay, never mind. So let me turn this up. I think that'll be better. Oh yeah, that's much better. Okay. So she got this. This is nice. This is $24.99. Oh, that's nice. It has like some silky spots on there. That's cute. That's exactly what I was thinking. That's gonna fit in that space. It's too big? Oh, okay. I'm doing too much, I guess. I don't see the vision. This is $14.99. This is not, it feels like faux wood. Oh, this is cute. A vase. And this was $16.99. Let's see what, this is my first time seeing this stuff, so. Oh, that's cute. Ooh, that's my scent. This is $14.99. It's the teak wood and slate. It smells real good. I don't like this. It doesn't have the traditional wicks. These are like the wood wicks. Let's throw that on the floor. Oh, that's different. This is $24.99. I hope you guys can see that. That's different. It's like wood. It's like they painted it white and then like sanded some of the paint off. Oh, but it matches that too. And that's empty? Okay. So this is everything. Right? This is everything? Okay. So this is everything, and now she's gonna redo the table. So I'll probably turn music on over that while she does that because I need to get settled in. Asa wants to show you guys her earrings. Come over here. Okay. What are you showing them?
The earrings.
Where are they from?
Great Nana's box that I got. Great Nana's box that I got from.
Okay, what's on your neck?
The necklace that I saw.
Is that Great Nana's too?
Yeah.
Okay. So she was in my grandma's jewelry box. Or is it the bag that we got?
It was in the box. And in the bag.
Yeah. So she got that from my grandma's. My grandma passed away December 2020. My grandma passed away. So she likes to wear her jewelry. What?
If we get to 1,000 subscribers, then we will pierce my ears again.
Girl! Yo, this child of mine.
If we get to 2,000 subscribers, then she will have to have a mohawk. Subscribe, people, so she can have a mohawk and I can have my pierced ears. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye.
Now remember, this is how the table was looking from how I did it, but now she's about to redo it. So I'm just gonna set you guys up. Doesn't want to be decorated. So you think they should go on the top? Well, there's gotta be a black piece and a black piece. The camera and the car. So I like this one over here on top and that one over there. Let me go grab the step ladder.
So I have new glasses and I got them from Adventure Vision. And these are gold. These are gold, these are gold, these are gold.
So the other day when Mike went to Costco, I think he went to Costco. Yeah, he went to Costco. He got this garlic chicken pasta stuff. So I'm going to, now this is a huge bag. This is 63 ounces. So I'm just gonna make a portion of this, and then I figured to go with that, we could have these savory garlic knots. I just stopped at Walmart and got these. And then I got the chopped salad kit, the bacon ranch crunch, and then some sweetened cranberry and candied pecans for the salad. So I need to figure out how to cook this. I don't know if I've ever had this before. It's not a skillet, but I'm gonna use this just because I want to cook a little bit more. I'm thinking I'm gonna cook a little bit more, but we'll see. Smells yummy. Okay, and I put the stove on 6. 9 is the high. So I put it on 6, and I think now I need to cover it. Cover and cook over medium heat, 9 to 11. So I think that little bit of water, I don't know, I might need to use a little bit more. Mama and Aislinn have officially left, and they are going to Mama's house. And Mike came home to grab something, and then he had to go back to work. So I'm trying to get this done before he comes home. I'm really hoping this 9 to 11 minutes is as accurate as it can be, and that everything will be done before Mike comes home. So I already preheated the oven, and actually it's ready to go. But I don't want to put the garlic knots in there because the garlic knots aren't going to take that long. So I'll put that in there once the pasta is completed. Let me show, hold on one second. Y'all, it's something about the house coming together. that just gives me all the feels. So like even having the stuff on the coffee table and then the items in the shelf down there and having that light on, it's so relaxing in here. It's so peaceful. It's so peaceful. And I love it. Update on my shoulders. I don't know. Can you guys see how smooth that is? Oh my goodness. It's so smooth. It's so smooth. And so my, let me see. Oh, come on, light, let us be great. Let me see if I take you guys in here. There we go. Neck's looking good. And then I'll show you guys the shoulders again. It's so soft. Like the discoloration is still there, but the texture of it is so smooth. And then like my chest area, it's so smooth too. Like it just feels so good. I've been so bumpy for so long. Like it's just been a part of my normal when I feel my skin. So to feel it like all, sorry, I'm trying to turn this down. I look so tired. I'm so tired, y'all. To feel it now compared to like before the medication, I'm just thrilled. I'm thrilled. Even if the discoloration doesn't go away, like just to have this, like it's so smooth. It's so smooth. The other day I told Mike, I was like, rub my arm. Feel how smooth it is. Yeah. So even if this discoloration doesn't go away, all is well. Just to not have it be so bumpy is nice. I feel like right here, like of course I can't show you guys this, but like right here, it was like bumpy and kind of darker. That's kind of lighter and it's so smooth. Like it looks so clear. So I'm excited about that. And that's just the update on the Tinea Versicolor. I hope I'm saying that right. I'm probably butchering that all the way up. I'm going to, I need to edit. I need to edit I need to edit for the podcast. That's what I need to do. So I'm going to take my computer into the kitchen and then start working on getting a podcast episode edited. So that's what I'm about to do. Never mind this pan, you guys. We messed it up the other day when we were cooking, so. I've never had these garlic knots, so I'm not exactly for sure how this is gonna go. I guess I'm just gonna do this. Put these bad boys in the oven. Now for the moment of truth, I've taken them out. They've been sitting for a while. I'm trying to see if I need to get scissors. Oh, no, you don't need scissors. I wonder if I should have shook them up. Ooh, that's nice and soft. All right, y'all, it's 12:55 a.m. Mike's finally home, so we can finally eat. It's super late.